Hello, this is going to be a quick demonstration on how to set up the movement options of Covey Roleplay doors that are part of the Covey Roleplay control system set. I'm going to start just by raising one of the example doors. There are two versions of the examples. I'll only leave one out. We've got a wood and we have a glass panel. You can also add in your own scripts, exactly the same process as any other item in this set. Find your item, drop in the link set defaults. Remember, if you got this from a vendor rather than from the marketplace, you'll have this version that you have to delete yourself. If you got it from the marketplace, it is a self-deleting version. Once they are set, find the scripts for the doors. Again, if you've got yours from a vendor in World rather than marketplace, just drag and drop them out of the actual door itself, the example. Drop those in there. And that's now ready to go and will work just like the example does. Okay, so let's talk about movement. There are lots of other options, but this video is going to focus just on the movement. To access the menu, we do a long click, which is click and hold with the left mouse button for at least 2 seconds before releasing. This will give you a menu. If we click on movement, we can set speed, rotation axis, rotation angle, and rotation edge. Speed just controls how fast the door moves. You'll probably just want to leave that on a default. If I change the rotation axis, which is currently Z, in fact I'll click it, so this is rotating around the Z axis, but I can also change that to rotate around a Y axis. Around the Z axis. Sorry, I should have chosen X, it was on Z originally. So we can make this rotate in any direction we like. I'm going to put this back to Z. We can also change which edge it rotates around. Now currently it's rotating around this edge. But if I change this now, go to movement, click rotation edge plus minus. Now if I click the door, we can see it's rotating around this opposite edge. I'm going to go back to movement. We can also change the angle. Now currently this is rotating through 90 degrees and it turned to odds on this edge and away on the other edge. So if I change that rotation now and put in -90, we can see that the rotation edge has now changed, or the rotation angle has changed. Sometimes if you see the menu not react like that, it's because the doors had to be reset to apply changes, so you will in that case need to reopen the menu. So again, I'm going to go to movement. This time I'm going to set rotation angle, and instead of 90 degrees I'm going to do 45. And we can see that this now moves through a 45-degree angle. Okay, so if I change the speed, I'm going to set the speed to 2 this time, and we'll see that the speed the door moves at changes. Movement, movement, speed, make it 5, submit. You can make these all kinds of ranges, but 1 to 5 is usually a good value. And that is essentially it for setting up the actual movement of the door. Because there are a lot of features in the doors, I'm going to do these in separate videos. Thank you for watching.